Hello, you're watching Scope, and today we're keeping the engine running with an episode all about engineering. So, what is an engineer? Well, it's someone who builds, maintains and designs structures, engines and machines. That could mean almost anything. So let's take a look at some types of engineer now. What do you see here? A pile of junk? Some old, useless tech? Well, Veena is a material engineer, so she looks at old devices and sees the opportunity to engineer a better world. Today she brought some e-waste to the bunker to tell us more.
So Lee, we have to recognise that we've got all these amazing products that contain glass and plastics and metals, and we've got to really look at it as if each of these different types of materials can be brought to life.
That's where Veena's e-waste micro factory comes in. E-waste, like old mobile phones, go into this machine to be fragmented. The useful components are pulled apart and then identified and sorted by this robot. By applying precisely controlled temperatures in this small furnace, Veena's team can extract metals from circuit boards to make valuable alloys, which are materials made from 2 or more different types of metals mixed together. So now that you've got these pearl-like beads of copper, what can they actually be used for?
You know, copper is such an important metal. It's actually a really good conductor. So you can imagine, you know, if the whole world is going down the path of electrification, you know, our electric vehicles, our buildings, there's a lot of wiring, there's a lot of need for copper.
So that's some of the metal, but what about all that plastic?
The world has a lot of waste plastics that come from our printers, and you know, we don't want to just burn them away. So what we've done with our technology is we've used the waste plastics, we've actually produced these really smart filaments. These filaments can then actually be fed into 3D printers to print products that we all need.
So what do you see now? Where some see trash, others see treasure.